No.
No, so me and Adia, we're gonna go ding-dong ditching.
Of course.
So,
Let's stop.
okay. What house should we go to? Should we go to this house?
We already did this house.
No, we didn't. We did that house. Okay, let's go right here.
I'll do it this time.
Okay. We're gonna both go. Oh crap, the lights are on. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. Adia! Oh my god. She's running over there. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh my god. Did they come out? Their door opened. Adia, wait. I did it and she opened the door and she didn't close the door all the way and she saw me.
Oh,
Who?
Ethan.
I know. Okay.
Wait, she saw you?
Yeah,
That's why you should never run that way. Run this way.
I know. Hi, Ethan. Oh,
What are you doing here?
we're ding dong ditching. And we're recording ours. Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we go to the same school.
I didn't know you guys went to the same school. I thought you went to a different school, but you guys knew each other.
Well, we go to the same school.
Yeah, hello, stranger.
Yeah,
Want to
stranger.
play stranger?
No. Ethan, when we knocked, Adia knocked on the door, and we went running, and I went running back, and the guy opened the door. He saw me.
He didn't see me because I ran this way.
Yeah.
If the house is that way, run this way. If the house is
Okay.
I think that was it.
There's a house that I got caught yesterday with Talia. Let's go.
I can't run. I'll be there in like 10 minutes. Okay. Oh crap! I almost fell. My recording skills are very
Bad.
bad. Adia. That's my friend Talia's brother. Adia, you know I have a YouTube channel.
What's it called?
My name.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's really bad.
What do you mean?
It's bad.
Corinne and Talia have one.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, the LP.
I never knew Karen had one. I know Talia has
What's
one.
it
though.
called?
Like,
Karen?
oh,
Corinne has stupid videos. He posted one of us.
Doing what? Ew. It just sounds
Not
weird
like
when you
that.
say it.
Not like that.
When you say it sounded weird.
oh, this is.
This is a house I got caught. in.
Should we do it again?
Yeah.
We're gonna do
you know
this.
what my answer was? I'm like, sorry, you're wrong house. Because I know I'm.
Let's do it again.
Oh, next time run this way. Let me do it.
Let me do. They have freaking glass doors.